have all of your belongings. Be careful when you open the overhead bin. Once the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned on, please stand clear of the doors to allow flight attendants to complete their important safety duties. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you off to our airport team. They will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, we do thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again in the near future. Once again, let me welcome you to Frankfurt. Great seeing you back up in the skies. Have a fantastic day. Pleasure having you.